simula sa bulong-bulungan hanggang sa umugong ang mga balita. Mawawala na raw ang SOP sa ere. Pinabulaanan ng mga balita pero sumabog ang sunod-sunod pang mga intriga. Hanggang dumating ang inaasahan. Ngunit ikinagulat pa rin ng lahat. Ang pagtatapos ng Concert TV, SOP. Tinutukan ng Showbiz Central ang mga madamdaming mga pangyayari sa likod ng SOP Farewell Concert kanina. Isang live television event na dinabahan ng mga tao sa likod at harap ng kamera na naging bahagi ng halos 15 taong kasaysayan ng SOP. Ang kwento ng reunion at ng pamamaalam sa unang pagtatanghal ng backstory, the SOP Farewell Concert.
Nakakaloka, nung umere nung Tuesday ang plug ng SOP Farewell Party, hindi na natapos ang usap-usapan tungkol dito. Ha? Ano? Bakit? At ang pinaka-nagpapanik na tanong ng bayan, paano na si Regine? Ngayong hapon, dadapo rito ang Songbird para personal na isiwalat ang kanyang saloobin sa pagtatapos ng kanyang weekly show for almost 10 years. Regine Velasquez, the diva speaks out, live na live sa Intriga Crossfire, dito lang sa Showbiz Central.
Okay! Kasama na po natin sa ngayon ang Asia Songbird, si Miss Regine Velasquez at si Jaya, our Queen of Soul.
Wow, good afternoon.
Hi everyone! How
Yes.
are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Well, mukhang full smiles na kayong dalawa. Not like a while ago nung nagpaalam kayo
We
sa
were
SOP.
trying to smile.
Actually, schizophrenic kami kanina kasi kumakanta kami
bumabipolar.
nakatawa, pero may mga luhang tumutulo sa mga mata.
Bumabipolar lang kami ng konti. Siyempre, it's sad because the show has to end already, but at the same time, we're also excited for the new show. So, yun.
After 13 long years of doing this show, Jaya, Regine, does it feel like, after ending it today, do you guys feel defeated?
Ano ba?
Do we feel that?
Hindi ko alam
Ako mostly nalulungkot lang ako kasi syempre parang mix yung mga emotions ko parang is it gonna be the same? Am I gonna see the same people in the new show? So meron lang akong mga ganun. So plus I'm also scared kasi yung expectation sa mga tao. And of course, maraming oo-cry.
Oh, ganun naman
when you're starting a show, diba? So,
Even with SOP being 13 years na siya sa television, maraming umu-cry, maraming pumupuri. So, ito lang yung fear factor siguro na parang may magkakagusto ba sa bagong show namin. So,
although we will try our very best to give them the best show.
yeah, what we did for SOP, we'll do for the new show.
Yes.
Maybe even more.
Do you think it's going to be difficult to parang take yourself out of the mold na parang SOP already created?
Yeah, I think it'll be a little bit difficult, at least for me, because I got used to the system already. You know how, di ba, yung nagkakaroon ka na ng comfort zone.
Yeah.
Oh, when you go there, it's the same people that you see. It's like, chika na naman. Ano ba
Tapos
yung
lahat
chismis?
kumpare mo na. You get to hang out, you get to share problems,
Yeah.
share your saya with
Tsaka
everybody.
may mga habits na nga kami dun eh. Like, may mga time kami na, dire-diretso na. Wala kaming numbers, pila, kakain muna kami. Yung may mga ganun na kami.
May mga rituals na
May
kayo
mga
na
rituals syempre, hindi natin alam, i-break ba natin yun? Or, yun na nga, like I said,
Will
is
it
gonna
be the same?
Yes, is it gonna be the same? So, syempre, nakakalungkot lang yun. But, yun na nga, at the same time,
Looking
we're looking
forward
forward to the
also.
new show. Kasi,
Which will happen in 3 weeks.
In about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
In about 2 weeks.
Tama ba?
Well, we certainly wish you well on that. And
Thank you.
we're all looking forward to how things are gonna change. Well, before that happens, of course, there's
Yes.
also Diva to talk about.
yun naman yung exciting na part. Kasi, may bago tayong kanta serye.
I
Yun ang
know, this is a
title niya.
it's a brand new genre that you guys
Yes.
created.
Of
Yes.
course, this was all Regine's idea.
Hindi naman.
Matagal mo na
most
nga daw.
of it.
Matagal mo na nga daw plano to, Regine.
Yeah.
No, I've always wanted to do a musical.
Oo.
Na, kasi gumawa ako na ng Wanted Perfect Mother. Di ba? Musical yan eh.
Yeah.
Movie. Natutuwa kasi ako kasi syempre parang more than an artista. I'm really a singer.
Singer.
So if I can mix that, why not? And last year kasi iba yung ginawa ko, but I wanted to do this. Kaya in a way, parang we're lucky na rin kasi sumikat yung show na uso ngayon yung mga musicals, di ba? So, parang madali na siyang i-push kasi kumbaga may nakaumang na nasumikat na show na musical show. So,
Oo. And it mixes all the three things that you're great at, Regine: singing,
dancing.
making
Sorry.
patawa.
Dancing.
Huwag nating kalimutan ng dancing.
And you're also good at picking people for the cast. Ang balita ko, hand-pick, personally pick mo daw most of the people in the cast, including Jaya over here, who's very apprehensive. Who's very apprehensive to begin with, di ba?
No, but I've been encouraging her. I've been telling, because I think bukod kay
Naku, wag.
Ogie at sa nanay ko, at sa nanay niya, she's one of yung pinaka nakakatawang tao na nakilala ko sa buong buhay ko. Kasi nanay niya, si Ogie, nakakatawa na. Siya, lagi niya akong pinapaiyak sa katatawa.
Ito naman,
sabi
mukha
ko,
lang akong nakakatawa.
of course not, you're beautiful, honey.
So, Jaya was a personal pick of yours.
Kasi,
Same.
kasi sabi niya sa akin, gusto ko ngang i-try. So, I've been encouraging her. Sabi ko, eto na, may chance. Sabi ko,
At saka
go ka.
magaling siyang mag-convince. Madali lang yan.
Kailan to ni?
Tsaka parang ikaw lang sa